What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. As you can see, I'm back out here with the Top Race Dragon Drone TR-D4, and the prop guards are off it now. So I'm about to fly this thing with the prop guards off it with the stock transmitter to give you guys an idea of how this thing flies. So we're in the air on low rates. The wind's blowing it. It's kind of windy out here, so keep that in mind. This is the yaw rate. Very slow yaw. Barely even turns at all. So we're just going to come right out of that. We're on mid rates here. This is the yaw. So the yaw is still slow. This is the aileron here. Let's do forward pitch. This is forward pitch against the wind. This is with the wind here on mid rates. Okay, so this has 3 rates. So we're on 3rd rate. That's the yaw. So the yaw is still a little slow. This is side aileron. So the aileron gets really nice. This is forward pitch. So forward pitch is really nice. So this thing definitely is a very sporty flyer. Very fast quad here. Check it out. This thing is very fast. Really nice range on it too. Let's go out here in the sun. Most of the wind is. Fly it. And this is on the Bayang Toys protocol. So with the Devo, the pitch angles are more extreme. And the yaw might be a little faster. I'm not sure if deviation gives an increase in yaw on the Bayang Toys protocol, but it definitely helps the pitch out with this one. But as you can see, it really doesn't need much help. This thing is fast. Really decent pitch. With deviation, it just does better funnels. This is the best of a funnel you can get. Funnels are kind of wide because the yaw rate is a little slow. So let's look at the flips. So flips really nice, as you can see. Awesome flips. You can even get flips out with this. You can even get double flips out with this thing. So you can see there, quick double flip. Might even be able to get triples and all. Let me bring it back in because this thing is white and you probably can't even see it against the sky here. Let me bring it down. Getting carried away here. Having fun with this thing. So really awesome flyer. Very reminiscent of the WL Toys V252. Fast just like it. The only thing, the WL Toys V252, they actually came out with a version 2 and a version 3. In the version 3, they increased the yaw rate, so that thing is the ultimate. So this one flies like the version 2 without the yaw rate increase, which was still awesome. As you can see, this thing is very fast, sporty flying. Now one thing I found with when I fly this with the Devo, it increases the pitch, so you can't go all the way full forward pitch without it descending. Here they have it set where you can go all the way forward pitch, and it only descends a little bit if you don't increase the throttle. But if you increase the throttle, it doesn't descend at all. It just pretty much flies straight or goes up and climbs a little. But it's really windy out here, so that could be why it's climbing right now. Really decent range with this little transmitter too. Bring it back in close, give you guys a look at it. Check it out. The wind's blowing, so I'm quiet because I'm having fun with it again. It might be near LVC. Let's see if we can see any lights flashing on it. The lights appear to be steady still. So let's continue on with our awesome flips and stuff. There might even be a headless mode on this one. I didn't really check it out. Let me see. Any of these buttons put it in headless mode. It beeped. It gave a long beep, but it didn't do anything. Oh, it's in headless mode now. So we're in headless mode. Headless mode seems a little funky, but it's working. I'm able to control it. I lost orientation now. Let's see if we can get out of headless mode. So we're out of headless mode. I think headless mode goes on this one goes by the direction that it's facing when you first put it in headless mode. Very quiet model too. And we got a lot of traffic coming by here. So check it out how quiet this thing is. You can barely even hear it. And it seems like it's in LVC. But check it out, it still flips in LVC. Oh, it's going down right now. It tried to flip, but it went down. So that's it. It's the Dragon drone from Top Race. Thanks for watching.